drop the tailgate? No?
Chain's right over there.
I'll suck your dick if he pulls this out of here.
Well, get ready. I have to warm it up first. Run the chain through there and then hook the chain back to itself.
There you go.
That should work. Choker chain. Yeah, that should do it. All right, Chris. Watch your fingers. He's gonna probably splash us.
Yes.
Chris will. One of the other. I think something's broken. No splash guard.
Well, come here, Ted. I got to hold up my end of the bargain.
What is that, like the radiator splash guard?
I don't know. Told Ted I'd suck his dick if it pulled him out of there.
Too much fucking
Feel me, I
plastic.
got to address
on
the situation here.
there. Too much plastic. What do you think?
All right, boys, evidently we have too much Tupperware on this Jeep because some of it's hanging off.
There's like a little splash guard or something.
A little bit of Tupperware.
You got any bungee cords?
Yeah, I got some.
Is that like your splash guard for the belt or something? Yeah,
I think it's just my...
little splash tray. That might be where that noise came from, when like the fan rubs it or something.
I can just pop it right back in. Can I see you guys' registration for mudding?
License
Up
and
here.
registration, please.
No, just the mudding registration.
Safety violation.
Yeah, we got a safety violation here. This is not OSHA standards.
The best bumpers I found for those is called made by Pro
Hey,
Comp.
Chris, I don't need the bungee cord.
No cord.
No cord
Thanks.
needed.
4wheeldrive.com has them. They're made by Pro Comp. They're like rock slider bumpers. They're only $140.
And they have a place to hook a toe to?
They got D-rings. That's what.
Oh, come on. Ain't that bad.